Hi everyone, it's Shannon. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I hope you will hit that subscribe button because usually you'll find new DIYs and tutorials right here every single Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. However, today is day 9 of my 12 days of a Dollar Tree Christmas DIY series. In today's tutorial, I have several different ideas for you using Dollar Tree supplies to create some really beautiful gift wrapping for this holiday season. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so first let me show you a few of my ideas, and then at the end I'll show you everything all wrapped up so you can see what they actually look like. And first of all, of course, Dollar Tree has some great options for just regular patterned, cute printed wrapping paper that you can just wrap and go with, no fuss. And Hallmark actually came out with their own line this year, so there's some really pretty options. But you can also look in the more non-traditional places in Dollar Tree for gift wrapping options to really personalize your gifts and give them a little bit more of a handmade touch. So this is wrapping paper or craft paper that is in their shipping section. And this is just white wrapping paper in their regular everyday wrapping paper section, like with their baby shower and birthday gifts. And I love these because these give you a sort of a blank background to really get creative when you go to decorate your gifts. They also have some great gift bags for Christmas, but you can also find red and green and this craft paper gift bags back along their regular gift giving area. And again, I really love these because they are a blank slate to really get creative with. I also really love this transparent Scotch tape from Dollar Tree. It comes in a set of 2 and it's clear. It does have a shine to it, so you do see the shine on your wrapping paper a little bit, but it's completely clear. It's not milky, so you don't see it quite so bad whenever you go to wrap your gifts up. Once you have your gift wrapped with paper, it's always nice to add a little piece of ribbon or something tied around it in addition to the paper. And traditionally you'll see ribbon, and they have these really cute red truck ribbons at Dollar Tree this year that would be cute to go around a gift. But I thought I would also give you some more non-traditional wrapping ideas. This is a strip off of one of their fleece scarves, so you can take fabric and rip it down and use that in the place of ribbon. They also have these baby blankets that you could cut down and wrap around your gifts. And then they also have jute and some of this rope that would be cute, especially if you're doing the farmhouse look. They also have some new yarn this year, which I am loving. They have lots of different colors. So I have white. They also have some gray and red that you could use. And then another thing I found was this clothesline. So it's red and white striped or twisted, and it looks like a candy cane. So I thought it'd be perfect to wrap around a gift and use it that way instead. And then of course you will need to add a gift tag so that you know who your gifts are going to. They have some really great 3D gift tags. They even have these little cute jingle bells on them. So these are great. You can just peel and stick them on. But if you want something a little bit more non-traditional or farmhouse style, they have these great chalkboard gift tags. And the reason I like this idea even more is because you could use these year after year. So you can erase and reuse. They also have these, which I love this idea too. They're on little clothespins. You can clip these onto ribbon or your little embellishments that you add to the top of your gifts. And they even have some blank clothespins, so you could create your own idea, put them on a clothespin, and then clip them onto the top of your gift. And now that I've given you several ideas, I thought I'd go ahead and wrap a few up so you could see all of my ideas come to life. Thank you all so very much for joining me for today's tutorial and for joining me on this 12 Days of Dollar Tree Christmas DIY series. If you've missed any of them, I will link a playlist down in the description box below. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button next to me. I have more great DIY tutorials in the link below that. And come find me on Facebook and Instagram for more inspiration. I'll link those down below. Thanks so much again, and I'll see you next time. Bye everyone.